What's up, guys? So today I'm going to show you guys how to phrase match. So before we get into that, you guys have to know there is 4 beats in a bar, and when you hear a beat, that refers to kicks. Kicks and beats are the same thing. There's 4 kicks in a bar, there's 4 beats in a bar. So beat matching would be matching the first, the second, the third, or the fourth kick of any given bar from track A with any given kick of any given bar with track B. So while there is 4 beats in a bar, there is 16 bars in a phrase. So phrase matching would be matching the very first kick of a phrase from track A with the very first kick of another phrase with track B. So phrase matching is important because there's this thing called circadian rhythm. This is an internal clock that we have. Whenever we hear music, we have this internal tempo, this internal clock that lets us anticipate counts. So while many people are not educated in music production and they don't understand structure and arrangement, you can definitely pick up on it just by listening. So if you were to listen to a drummer or somebody just playing fucking random without having structure or tempo, we would perceive that as noise. But when you listen to music, you're able to enjoy listening to music because the people who wrote it understand the circadian rhythm and we enjoy listening to it. So that would be reason number 1. The second reason would be there is effects, sweeps, and swells that happen at the end of a phrase, which mark the following phrase coming in. When you beat match and your beats are all over the place, you're not going to take advantage of these sweeps and swells, which add energy to your transitions. So when you're mixing your track A with track B and you do phrase matching and you have those aligned, you're gonna have these sweeps and swells that are going to add more energy, more intensity to your set, to your performance. I want to show you guys real quick in Ableton because it's easier to dissect, to like zoom in and look at the waveforms a little bit better so you guys know exactly what I'm talking about. So let's go jump right into Ableton. Here we go. So as I told you guys, you need to count to 8 times. That is 16 bars. That is 64 count. All right, I know some people are gonna be confused, so we're gonna do it together. All right, so this is the first kick right here. Kick number 1, kick number 2, kick number 3, kick number 4, and this is 1 bar right there. This is 2 bars. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is 8 kicks. So we need to count to 8 times. So this is 1 time, 2 times, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, there's 8 kicks in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 kicks, 8 times 8, and that is 16 bars. So in techno, there will be your sweeps, your transition points are usually going to be around 16 to 32 bars. So you'll notice as elements are introduced or taken off, there will be effects present during these transition points. There's not going to be like transitions like sweeps and swells like every 8 bars because techno is just designed to be a little bit longer. That's why tracks, when you see them, they take like 6 minutes, 7 minutes, 8 minutes versus hip hop, house. So let's go ahead and listen to this and see what that sounds like. See, nothing major. There was a double kick right here at the end of an 8 bar. So, and let's finish listening to the 16 bars here real quick. So they kept it going, the 16 bars right here, and they're gonna do another 16 bars. You're gonna hear the real changes happen at the end of the 16 bars here. So we'll start here. as you can tell, they did another 16 bars here, but the 16 bars, half of it was cut into a breakdown. They introduced the melody, but when the tension released was at the end of the 16 bars. So you heard the hats come in, you heard a percussion, and this sort of like swell that's like very subtle in the background with some white noise. So the reason I'm choosing this track is because this is a bit slower style techno. It's easier to listen to. It doesn't have a lot of distortion. If I was to do an example with like a 160 BPM track, super distorted, really fast, sometimes they add like these different elements that is probably going to get some people confused when they're listening to it. So right now I'm gonna go and jump on the mixer and we're gonna practice our counts on the mixer. So all right guys, so for this example I'm gonna be using this track Aldes Low Battery and Gara by Warhead. So if you guys see here, this would be the very beginning of a phrase, the first kick. I already marked the 16 bar points and I want to show you guys the similarities. So right here we're on cue number A. You can see down over here, down right there, this is 16 bars. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's 1. So that would be 1 count, right? Because we have to count to 8 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So as you can tell, again, down here, that where my BQ point is, that would be 16 bars, and over here, that would be 32. So I'm going to play this track, and we're gonna count to 8 times. You guys are gonna count with me every time we hear a kick. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, you guys, so I forgot to mention, technically, phrases vary depending on the genre. If you're listening to slower music like reggaeton, hip hop, lo-fi, things that are like in the 90 BPM, 80 BPM, phrases are gonna be 4 bars. Other genres like house will do 8 bars. Trance usually does 8 bars or 16 bars. So it usually depends on the genre and also the artist. Sometimes artists will do 16 bars plus 8 bars. So you gotta pay attention to that. Okay, yeah, anyways, that's pretty much it. You guys, everything is about timing. You can't just throw anything at any given moment, however the fuck you feel like it, and not follow any structure. So that's basically it for today. I hope you guys found this useful. Thank you for watching. If you guys like this type of material, please like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends. Thank you, bye.
The